Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Elementor Pro with WordPress.org, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Elementor website to purchase Elementor Pro. Once you have completed the purchase, log into your account on the Elementor website. Navigate to the download section to access your Elementor Pro plugin. Download the Elementor Pro zip file to your computer. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard using your credentials. In the WordPress dashboard, locate the Plugins menu on the left sidebar. Click on the Add New option under the Plugins menu. Now, click on the Upload Plugin button at the top of the page. Choose the Elementor Pro zip file you downloaded earlier. Click the Install Now button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click on the Activate plugin link. After activation, you will see a prompt to connect Elementor Pro to your Elementor account. Click on the Connect and Activate button to link your account. A new window will open asking you to log into your Elementor account. Enter your login credentials and authorize the connection. Once connected, you will now have access to all the premium features of Elementor Pro. To start using Elementor Pro, create or edit a page in your WordPress site. Click the Edit with Elementor button to launch the Elementor editor. Explore the new widgets and features available with Elementor Pro. Customize your page to suit your design needs. Finally, click the Publish button to make your changes live on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.